Morning, this is day 2 of filming. My name is Christopher Langley and we're over here at the Transit Bus Wash facility, and I'm going to film these guys cutting grass on the propane mowers.
I've been using the propane mower well over 10 years now, and it has proven to be quite effective.
Found a huge cost savings in maintenance, where we've actually been able to double our service intervals, so we're saving money there.
Something that this community needs, and us being around a lot of kids and just families in general, pets, like using gas powered mowers, it isn't healthy. So honestly, you need to go with propane mowers.